3 cheese quesadillas recipes. Are you ready to experience a heavenly fusion of flavors in just minutes? Introducing 3 cheese quesadillas, the ultimate delight for cheese lovers. Layer shredded Monterey Jack, cheddar, and queso fresco between 2 warm tortillas. The combination of these 3 exquisite cheeses creates a symphony of taste that will leave your taste buds craving for more. Quesadillas being placed on a hot grill. Grill the quesadillas until the cheese melts into a luscious and gooey goodness. Watch as the cheese transforms into a golden blanket of deliciousness, ready to satisfy your cravings. Slice the quesadillas into perfectly portioned wedges, revealing the oozing, melty cheese within. Each bite is a tantalizing balance of creamy, tangy, and savory flavors. Whether it's a quick snack, a party appetizer, or a satisfying meal, 3 cheese quesadillas are a surefire crowd pleaser. A beautifully plated quesadilla. So, grab your tortillas, layer on the cheese, and let the magic happen. 3 cheese quesadillas will take your taste buds on a journey they won't soon forget. Subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes and culinary inspiration. Get ready to indulge in the gooey goodness of 3 cheese quesadillas. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.